this is Brett Phillips with another episode of Hummer Cam. You see the bad boy right here, the mighty Hummer. This thing is awesome. We have such a good time in this Hummer. It took me 10 days to generate the $65,000 that I needed to pick up this bad boy. Brand new, $65,000 in 10 days. Now, am I telling you that it's go to bed poor, wake up rich? Am I saying that you don't have to put any effort, energy, or time into your business to create this? No, not at all. But listen, here's several thousand reasons why you might want to listen to old Brett every now and again. Because Brett's going to show you how to put some serious money in your pocket. When it comes to making money, I know what I'm talking about. I know how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. So for you, it may not be a Hummer. That's one of the great things about this success business. You can define it. You can fill in the blank. Maybe it's a Hummer, maybe it's a boat, maybe it's a motorcycle, maybe it's a new home. Could even be college education for your kids. Who knows? Maybe it's a whole new wardrobe. I don't know. That's up to you. You get to fill in the blank. It's a short episode of Hummer Cam today. Make sure you go to my blog where you can learn everything you need to know about all the projects and ventures that I'm involved with on the internet. Go to brettphillips.info. That's BRITTPHILLIPS. Remember, you heard it first here on Hummer Cam.